So, you are at a restaurant, you've ordered some delicious tacos, but it takes ages to arrive. Then your food arrives and it's half cold. And the worst part, there is onion on your food. And if there is one thing I hate on my tacos, it's onion. That's it. Basta. Time to tell your waiter what you think of their service. Solo que hay un problemita. He only speaks Spanish. What now? No te preocupes. Spanish is an excellent language for passionately complaining. And I, Corey from Spring Spanish, will give you all the Spanish chunks you need to complain to your waiter or anybody else in the Spanish-speaking world. So you can express your frustrations, you're being hurt, and you get the service you deserve. ¿Suena bien? ¡Comencemos! Número 1. En el restaurante. Sometimes at a restaurant es necesario quejarse si, por ejemplo, el servicio es lento or if your food is not what you expected. Disculpe, pedí mi comida sin cebolla. ¿Podría cambiarme el plato, por favor? Enseguida, señorita. O es la segunda vez que mi café está frío en este restaurante. Mesero, tráigame otro, por favor. Disculpe, señorita. Ahorita le traigo otro. Chunk alert! If I had a penny for every time I've heard mi café es frío, I would be rich. The way we natives say it is mi café está frío. Learn it by heart as a chunk. And by the way, now you know how to say mi café está frío. So it won't surprise you, we also say mi café está caliente. O el día está frío. See how it works? Easy, right? If you like to learn more chunks like this, you must download our free Essential Spanish Chunking Kit. It contains lists full of the most frequently used Spanish chunks that will help you speak Spanish without thinking about grammar all the time. Link in the description. Número 2. En el aeropuerto. ¿Quién no ama viajar? But unfortunately, sometimes airports might be stressful. Overall, when they've lost your baggage or you find out your flight is delayed. El vuelo tiene 6 horas de retraso. ¡Qué pésimo servicio! Exijo una compensación. Sí, de hecho, existe una compensación por cada hora de retraso. Pase por aquí. Señorita, creo que mi maleta está extraviada. Vengo del vuelo AM026. Oh, lo sentimos, por favor. Llene este formulario. Número 3. En el hotel. Nice, you've made it. And you're finally about to have some rest at your hotel. But you might encounter some issues and you should know the basics. El baño no tiene agua caliente. Una disculpa, en este momento llamo al fontanero. ¿Cómo que no está nuestra reservación? La hicimos hace un mes. No se preocupe, respetaremos su reserva. La habitación que reservamos tiene vista al mar, pero la que nos dieron tiene vista a la calle. ¡Qué pena! En un momento le asigno su habitación con vista al mar. El clima no sirve y hace mucho calor. No se preocupe, mantenimiento ya va para allá. Gracias por su estancia. Chunk alert! El clima no sirve is another excellent example of a good chunk to learn. It's small but very useful. Learning that will help you to say la tele no funciona, mi teléfono no sirve, and many other sentences. Número 4. En la vida cotidiana. Of course, we don't need to be having leisure time for things to go not so smoothly. Every day we can be in situations where it is necessary to complain. Don't you hate when people try to jump the line en el súper? ¡Hey! ¡No se meta en la fila! ¡Allá está la cola! Oh, lo siento, no me di cuenta que había una fila. Or when you go around and around on a parking spot. Este es un enorme problema de la plaza. Nunca hay donde estacionarse. Or what about when you have noisy neighbors? Oiga, yo trabajo mañana muy temprano. Bájele a su música o voy a llamar a la policía. Perdón, no nos dimos cuenta. ya le bajamos. But what to do if you gave great service though? In a restaurant or hotel or anywhere else? Or what if you just don't know how to order or how to get by when traveling to a Spanish-speaking country? Well, we have a whole playlist of videos for you with all the junks you need to order in a restaurant, check into a hotel, take a taxi, and much more. Just click the image that just appeared to get to that playlist to be a pro next time you come to Mexico. Gracias totales. Adiós.